All right, Eric from creditwit.com, powered by Better Qualified. Overnight, got another question about inquiries. So inquiries, remember, I said a few months ago, maybe weeks ago, you cannot go longer than 14 days if you're looking to shop within a category, a car, a home, a line of credit, any of those things. You got to do it within 14 days. They say 45, but different models come back and say, that's for this kind of financing. Some banks and some bureaus and other places that do financing are going to say it's only 14 days. So be smart, just do the 14-day limit that when you're looking and shopping. So be smart, be quick when you're going to do something. Also, inquiry is going to stay on there for 2 years. They can stay on up to 7 years, but after 2 years, they really have no decrease to your points. But within the first year, that's 10% of your credit score right there. So if you're getting a lot of inquiries, again, your score is going to get affected anywhere from 1 to 5 points. Do it within that 14 days. Talk to you soon. Credit Wit, Better Qualified.